The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 434, in effect until 7:12 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Missouri, Dade, Douglas, Shannon, Webster, Wright, Greene, Berry, McDonald, Lawrence, Christian, Taney, and Clinton. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be admit, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, radio and television outlets, or the latest severe weather information.